Welcome back, art students. All right, so we have drawn our woodpecker. Now you get to color it in, and I'm excited. You're gonna probably want red because woodpeckers have red. You'll want the color black because woodpeckers have black. Woodpeckers also have white, so you'll want white. And I think you could probably do some colors like green and brown, maybe for your tree trunk or for your green leaves in the background. Maybe you want a blue sky in there somewhere. I don't know, you decide. Here we go. All right, so let's begin. The woodpecker has a red hairdo. That's the first thing you want to do with your red, is give your woodpecker some red hair. Color nice and dark with your red. So this part of your woodpecker is red. It's got a red hairdo. Okay, there's another part on your woodpecker's head that has red, and that part is right here. It's this little triangular kind of shaped spot right here. Okay. Now you're gonna want your black. Now when you're coloring with your black, it goes from right here, and it comes back and around, and it comes down like this, comes over, and like this, and like this. So this whole area, we're gonna draw a white line going around the eye to be safe. Okay, and then we're gonna shade in the rest black. So this will all be black. Go around the eye. See how I went around my eye? This will be black. Notice there's a white section right here, so you gotta be careful there. Okay, then we're gonna come down this way. Then we're gonna come over this way. And then we're gonna come up this way. Okay, and then the beak is gonna be black, so you can shade in your black beak. Such a beautiful bird call. That's a great one for waking you up in the morning. All right, and then we're gonna shade in all of our woodpecker's feathers black. They have lots of black feathers. Make sure you're coloring carefully. Stay inside the lines. Do a good job. Take your time. Tons and tons of black feathers. All those black feathers. Now you don't want to push too hard with your colored pencil because you don't want to lose all of the qualities of your lines. Good to see those textures of those feathers, and if you just push too hard on your black color pencil, you'll start to lose that. You don't want that. Oh, color, 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 color. There we go. So that's all black. Okay, and even the feet are black. There's so much black. Woodpeckers are very dark. There we go. Nice. Then, if you want, like I said, you can use green and brown if you want to do your tree trunk. Maybe I'll put some green in my background. Just to give it some color. Because sometimes in the background in nature there's a lot of leaves. I'm not going to get too detailed. I'm just going to have fun with color so that this actually ends up looking more like a drawing and not so much a photograph. So it looks like art, you know. You can have fun with art. Some fun expressive lines. Ooh, I like that. There's a chance where you can have fun with your lines, let it be in your background. Yeah, that's great. Some nice cool colors, really set it back. And then I think I'll do a little bit of blue up here. I don't know, you can choose your own colors however you want to color in your background, but I kind of like these cool colors. Really makes my woodpecker's red pop out a little bit more, I think. And there we go. We have our woodpecker. Good job, art students. I hope you had fun with this one. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.